I'm Beverly Galloway, living in Westmoreland. And please, me I ask you no please, if you can help me, just give me one little bathroom, one little one room, and one little kitchen. I see there, it will like lie down there so. I mean ask you no please. May God go no have good heart to help me. Me and my son. Please, God. Show the video there so. See all of me clothes them, all my church clothes and everything come out there. Nothing. Me not save nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing me not save, mommy. So me dey ask you to please in the name of Jesus. Please come rescue me out of the mud. Me need it more than ever. Because when me are 56 years of age, I can work. Give me the arthritis. So God will help me. When you give me a little start, I will help pink and pang and start off myself. I mean, I have a mother and father then dead much years ago. I wish everybody one dead at that stand. So money kind of get low, you know. I mean, I get no contact with no family of me. None of them because no phone and I don't reach right now. If say if call, if ask for help. But as soon as God help, I don't help me. God
guys, a real thing, man. You understand? I know we government no look for them people and not even a buckle of water. People, civilian, happy they help. You understand? Oh God, man.
I'm a neighbor. This neighbor here was my greatest enemy. And now me and she come be the best friend.